Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. 1. External works continuation. 2. Day works. 3. Soil investigation. 1. External works continuation. Asphalt work. Asphalt work offers several advantages for the environment. This is a recycled product, also long-lasting, stronger, cost-effective and environmentally friendly. They are easy to mix and customized. Many asphalt contractors have their asphalt production plants. The following definition is for the specific asphalt pavement work, which includes material and equipment to be used for all pavement roads and car parks. The asphalt pavement comprises grading and leveling, compaction of subbase, laying, spreading and compaction of asphalt base course and asphalt wearing course. Asphalt laying typically proceed with the following process. The sequence of roadworks is as mentioned below. Earthworks, underground utilities such as manholes, road gullies, duct banks, lighting pole and road sign foundations, kerbs, compaction of subbase, primer coat, asphalt base course, tact coat, asphalt wearing course and road marking. Work to be carried out after receiving all approvals for confirmation of compliance of aggregate, bitumen base course and wearing course. Prepare and remove the existing surface. The existing surface asphalt, if any, can be recycled and used in future asphalt surfaces. The prepared surface is to be graded and the grading area is to be reshaped to give a sloping surface to allow surface water to drain away. The subbase is the bottommost layer which will be supporting the binding layer or the subcourse. The subbase consists of a compacted granular coarse, a mixture of crushed natural stones and gravel that shall be watered to moisten the area. Then the surface shall be spread with a primer coat of liquid asphalt MC70, medium curing cutback asphalt consistent with 60 to 70 penetration grades. The spraying coverage of liquid asphalt MC70 coat shall be within the range of 0.45 to 0.75 kg per meter square at 60 to 85 degrees centigrade as specified. After the application, a minimum of 48 hours is required to lay the next binder or base course. The binder course or the base course consists of grabbo aggregate, coarse aggregate 25 to 35.5 mm or limestone mixed with bitumen at a temperature of 150 to 160 degrees centigrade at a wetting plant, which makes it strong and durable. The bitumen specified for use in the asphalt mixes shall be 60 to 70 penetration grade. The binder course is specified for heavy, very heavy and extra heavy loading. The type of bituminous paving mixtures and the thickness shall be designated on the project drawings or in the contract document. The recommended compacted layer thickness are as follows. Base course class A equals 80 to 100 mm. Base course class B equals 60 to 80 mm. The contractor shall prepare a paving plan and obtain approval to ensure adequate equipment and paving sequences. Before delivery of the mix, the contractor shall erect and maintain a reference guide wire for controlling the level of the laid mix. The guide wire shall be supported at intervals of not more than 5 meters. The mix shall be laid upon an approved surface and spread to the required grade, elevation and cross-section shape as intended. The laid mix shall be compacted until the recommended thickness is received. The mix temperature at the point of discharge shall be 135 degrees centigrade minimum temperature, and the laid material shall be compacted as soon as rolling can be effected while the temperature does not fall below 100 degrees centigrade. When the same asphalt coarse is to be laid in more than one layer, the second layer shall be placed as soon as practicable after the first layer has been finished, rolled and cooled. Once the specified thickness of the binding coarse or base coarse is reached, the surface of the binder coarse is to be cleaned and the application of a tack coat of an emulsified asphaltic slow-setting cationic or anionic type shall be applied on prepared to provide a bond for superimposed coarse at the rate of 0.15 to 0.35 kg per meter square at 10 to 60 degrees centigrade. The surface coarse or the wiring coarse is the topmost layer, which consists of grabbo aggregate, coarse aggregate 9.5 to 12.5 mm, mixed with bitumen at the temperature of 150 to 160 degrees centigrade at a batching plant, which makes it strong and durable. The bitumen specified for use in the asphalt mixtures shall be 60 to 70 penetration grades. The recommended compacted thickness shall be 45 to 55 mm. The purpose of the wearing coarse is to give a smooth riding surface and withstand high traffic and environmentally induced stresses without exhibiting unsatisfactory cracking and rusting. Equipment. The asphalt mixture shall be fed to the paver using a windrow elevator. The equipment for spreading and finishing the asphalt mixture shall be of mechanical, self-powered, controlled, floating screed type. The machine shall be capable of spreading and finishing the mixture true to line grade and the required crown. The pavers shall have adjustable operational speed of spreading and finishing from 3 to 6 meters per minute. For compaction of mixtures, at least 3 rollers shall be always required. 1 self-propelled pneumatic tire and 2 self-propelled pneumatic steel wheels to provide specified asphalt coarse density and surface characteristic in an orderly, efficient and continuous manner. To prevent adhesion of the mix to steel wheel rollers, the wheels shall be kept properly moistened. Breakdown items of asphalt work for pricing. Generally, the items measured in meter squares. 1. Preparation of ground. 2. Grading and leveling subbase. 3. Asphalt primer MC70. 4. Binder coarse. 5. Emulsified tack coat. 6. Wearing coarse. Example. The cost of asphalt for a car parking driveway with a 200 mm thick granular subbase, 100 mm thick asphaltic binder coarse and 40 mm thick wearing coarse. 1. Earthwork. Inclusive removal of 150 mm thick topsoil and preparation of ground surface, including removal of all vegetation, loose soil and other objectionable material from the site, equals the cost of the area of excavation meter squares. 2. Excavation for subbase 200 mm depth, filling with granular material, compact and watered, equals the cost of the area of subbase meter squares. 3. Supply, lay and spread MC70 asphalt primer coat at the rate of 0.75 kg per meter square equal the cost of the area of asphalt MC70 meter squares. 4. Supply, lay and compact 150 mm thick binding coarse equal the cost of the area of binding coarse meter squares. 5. Supply, lay and spread emulsified tact coat at the rate of 0.35 kg per meter square equals the cost of the area of emulsified tact coat meter squares. 6. Supply and compact 40 mm thick wearing coarse equal the cost of the area of wearing coarse meter squares. Curbstone. Curbstone refers to a horizontal precast concrete element used to edge and separate sidewalks, driveways and roads from adjacent landscapes. It prevents soil erosion and protects the pavement from damage due to various weather conditions. Curbstones also help in directing water flow and draining it to the drainage system. Curbstone design is available in various sizes, shapes and colors. Generally, most straight curbs are 915 mm in length by 150 mm in width by 300 mm in height. Mainly, there are two types of curbstones, flush curb and upstand curb. They are easy to install and do not get damaged easily. A good concrete foundation to support the curbstones is required. The underlying foundation must be capable of resisting any shear force induced by the overrun of ongoing vehicular trafficking. The unit shall be bedded on the haunch concrete base support with 20 mm cement and sand mortar 1:4 mix or suitable racing compound. The nominal size of the haunch concrete foundation shall be 250 mm wide by 150 mm high base and 100 mm wide by 275 mm high monolithic haunch in SRC grade 20 concrete. The haunch shall be reinforced with 10 mm diameter into 250 mm long mild steel double bars at 600 mm centers and fixed into the base to prevent horizontal displacement. Generally, curbstones shall be measured in linear meters. 1. Excavation trench for concrete curb base. 2. Concrete SRC grade 20 Newton for concrete base and haunch. 3. 20 mm thick cement and sand mortar bed 1:4 mix. 4. Supply and fix curbstone. Example, cost of supply and fix precast concrete curbstone 915 mm by 150 mm by 300 mm high. 1. Excavation for curb base 1.25 into 0.300 into total length plus backfilling plus remove surplus excavated material equals total cost of the curb's length of excavation. 2. Concrete grade SRC 20 for the base and haunch plus formwork for the base and haunch plus 10 mm diameter mild steel double bars equal total cost of the curb length of concrete. 3. 20 mm thick cement and sand mortar 1.4 mix equal total cost of the curb length of mortar bed. 4. Supply and fix curbstone 950 mm by 150 mm by 300 mm high equals total cost of the curb length of curbstones. Thank you. Wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing of bill of quantities part 2. I will be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field's necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.